Hey there, today I'm so excited to share with you a 3-story short-term rental luxury property 1 block from the beautiful white sands of Panama City Beach. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's go check it out. Today we have a spectacular luxury short-term rental house. It's 3 stories, boasts an electric car charger, balconies that wrap around almost the whole home, a secluded pool, and only 1 block from right here. That's right, I can't wait to show this one to you today. Let's not delay and we'll go take a look. Welcome to Milk Hole. I love this home, and I know we usually start inside. You will see just how unique this home is. It's beautiful, just 1 block to the Gulf of Mexico, and your own private dedicated beach for this home with no HOA fees. This yard is plenty large for everybody to fit. You do have some green space. You've got this beautiful pool in case you're not quite ready to hit the sand or when you get back and you want to dip in later after. But the beauty is all inside. Let's go. Welcome in. As promised, showing you this beautiful 3-story home. It's got 7 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. Some are en suites, and then you've got your guest spaces available. Right now we're on the bottom floor. We've just come in from the pool. You see that you've got your TV mount available here with an electric fireplace. And also, my favorite, can't not point it out, Shiplap. You're gonna find throughout the home all these great upscale luxury details, which is what you would expect in a 7-bedroom home that you are gonna use in an investment with the private beach 1 block away. You also do have a little bit of a kitchen area down here for your use. And this floor boasts 2 bedrooms. 1 is an ensuite and 1 with a guest quarters, so that everybody coming in and out of the pool won't be in someone else's space. But we gotta go see level 2. Welcome to the beauty and the grandeur of level 2. Here you're going to find your main living space. You're also going to notice that the fine details that are beautiful are going to be contiguous throughout. Your flooring, your beams and shiplap on your ceilings. These quartz countertops are going throughout. You have an industrial size oven and stove top here for you that can fit everybody that's going to join us. You've got beautiful sliders out to the balcony, and you can absolutely see the Gulf of Mexico from here. But it doesn't stop. You've got this beautiful customized fireplace here in the living room. You've got plenty of space for all the guests to be able to visit, and you even have another little wine bar over here. This level has 2 bedrooms along with this living space, but it doesn't stop here. Now let's go upstairs to the 3rd level. Welcome to level 3. We're here in the main ensuite of this level 3. You've got 3 bedrooms up here to finish off all 7 bedrooms and bathrooms. These details continue throughout the whole home, all the way from the floors to the ceilings with their shiplap and beams. You've got your high doors and your 10-foot ceilings. This is pure luxury and exactly what beach goers want to have. Now let's go check out the ensuite. Beauty, beauty, and luxury all throughout. All of the bathrooms have the same quartz countertops to stay contiguous, as well as the shower accents are also continuous throughout. So everything is cohesive, it's all beautiful, not one place is better than another. And again, these beach goers want their luxury as they enjoy their family time. Now, something a little extra special, head outside with me. I mean, this view. I love that this balcony, it's extra special. You do have balcony off the bedrooms on the level 2, but on level 3, It's 3/4 wraparound, and you do get these stunning and beautiful views of the Gulf of Mexico. I don't know that there's anything else I would put in this place. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you for more details. And don't forget, give me a call on this number. I'll be there to help. Bye.